I'm Richie, and I live here in Nevada City, California. We just moved into this house, and the problem is, if two faucets are turned on at the same time, one of them is reduced to a dribble. The reason for this is that there is a mineral buildup in the pipes. This has reduced the pipes from 3/4 of an inch to only 1/4 of an inch, allowing very little water to get through the pipes. What we need is more water flowing into our house, and so what we need to do is replace the pipeline with more modern PVC pipe, which doesn't allow for mineral buildups. We need to find out how much it would cost to run a pipe 75 feet up from the water meter to the house. If we were to dig the trench using manual labor or with a machine called the trencher, we need to compare those two prices and find out which would be cheaper. We measured from the water meter to this point and it came to 75 feet. Then we measured around the house and put on another 35 feet. So it came around to roughly 110 feet. We can rent a trencher that will dig a 200-foot, 18-inch deep trench in an hour. The only catch is that we'll have to rent it for 2 hours. When we figure the price of the trencher, we have to add in 3 hours of labor at $22 an hour. Or we can do manual labor. A person can dig a 10-foot trench about 18 inches deep in an hour. If we were to dig the trench using manual labor, we would have to pay that person $22 an hour. Now, since it would be 110 feet approximately, it would be around 11 hours for the job to be done. When we look at the estimated price of the trencher and the manual labor side by side, we have to decide which one will be cheaper. For each job, whether it be trencher or manual labor, it will take another 4 hours to connect the pipes and fill the trench back in. At $22 per hour, this adds a lot more on the price tag. We decided to go with manual labor. It ended up being less expensive than the trencher.